This is an unboxing video of a Monogram aircraft carrier kit made of wood from the 1940s.
Company Monogram first produced a stick and tissue flying model. Their next 5 kits were wood ship models, of which this was one. These kits stayed in the Monogram catalog until scale models became almost entirely made of plastic. The choice of these 5 Navy World War II ships shown in this ad probably stemmed from the fact that World War II had just ended and many thousands of sailors came home having served on aircraft carrier, battleship, cruiser, destroyer, or LST, and would like to have a model of them themselves or one for their sons and daughters.
Here's the box kit. It cost $1.25 in its day. So let's see what we have. The plans are on top. Then there's an ad that we'll review. Here's the cutout hull, and the detail parts are print wood that you have to cut out to this would be called print cardboard, I guess. This is the entire decal sheet. This is the carrier deck, and there are various little squares of balsa wood here, and then here's the inner under deck, or the first deck down from the carrier deck, and lots of little details. As you can see, the completed model will be quite large, and some of the structure looks pretty complicated, but it's facilitated by the fact that the carriers are built in decks so they can be simulated by planks of wood stacked atop each other,
as shown here. Here is a parts layout which doesn't include the cardboard parts, which are shown here. The tiny aircraft made from wood fuselage and cardboard wings and tail were difficult in that when you painted them, the wings and tail tended to droop because they got wet. Trying to repair this problem was like trying to operate on a bee. Building the kit was pretty straightforward. You started by carving the hull to shape using a scribed waterline and the patterns from the cardboard cutout. You then added the subdeck, the flight deck, and then assembled the various details, the island, the little fleet of airplanes, the guns, and installed them on that deck. Painting and decal instructions are included. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a like and subscribing. Thanks again.